Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at taking a column or a row of numbers, doing something to them like multiplying them by a number or dividing them or adding a number to them or subtracting. In this case, the exact same number is used for every single one of those cells and then putting the answer back again. So for example, I've got some data here that I got from ChatGPT. This is fake data. Originally, I'd asked for product names, but the product names that I got from ChatGPT were stupid. So what I did was I put in some candle scents that ChatGPT gave me. So I'm ending up with candles, but the price in the data that I sourced from ChatGPT is just now nonsense. So what I want to do is I want to reduce this column of numbers to 15% of what it is right now. So 15% is 0.15. So I want to multiply every one of these cells by 0.15 and then put the answer straight back in. You could do it with an intermediate column, but this is so much easier when you understand how to do it. So we're going to click on the cell that we want to multiply, add, subtract, or divide, and we'll copy it. And then we'll go and select the range of cells that we want to do something with. In this case, multiply it by 0.15 and put it back in here. Go to the paste option to select the down pointing arrow, go to paste special, and here is our operation area. And what we're going to do is to multiply these numbers by 0.15 and put the answer straight back in. Click OK. And here are our answers. Now there is a gotcha, and let's have a look at that right now. If I type 15% in here, it is exactly the same as 0.15, but look what happens when I do this calculation. I'm going to select 15%, go to copy. I'm going to select my data. I'm going to my paste special command. I'm going to choose multiply as I did before, and I'm going to click OK. And it looks like things have gone horrifyingly wrong. But the only issue is that these numbers are expressed as percentages, not as dollars and cents. So if we came back up here and, for example, used comma style, then we're going to just reformat those numbers so that they make sense to us. So just be aware that this process of using this paste special operation is that the data is going to inherit the format that you have for the data that you're copying. Now, if you don't want that to be the case, let's just undo this and let's try this again. So again, I've got my 15%. Let me just copy it. Let me go and select the data that I'm going to apply this operation to. I'm going to paste. I'm going to paste special. I'm going to multiply. But I'm also aware up here that the paste is set to all. And if I only want to paste values and not formats, so I don't want to paste this format on here, let's select values and then click OK. And now we get the values and not the formatting. So just be aware that you are in control, but you will need to read that dialog carefully so that you get exactly what you want and not something that you don't expect. Once you're done with this, you can just delete the cell because you don't need that any longer. These are values. These are not formulas. They're just values. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.